In this video, I'm gonna create links to other pages. So I'm gonna have PHP tags here, and I don't need the closing one actually. So I'm gonna say first if pages is greater than 1. Since if it isn't, I don't need the links. And if it is, then first I need to determine the current page. So I'm gonna have a current page variable here that's gonna be equal to start divided by display plus 1. Okay, and then I need to create the other pages, so I'm gonna just say make pages here, and for that I'm gonna have a for loop and I equal to 1 here, and while this I is less than or equal to pages, and I plus plus, and in here I'm gonna create links. So I'm gonna say echo and create an a tag here, href, and that's gonna be equal to pagination.php, and I need to have that s and p in here, so question mark s, which is gonna be equal to single quotes and 2 dots here to append, and here in braces I'm gonna say display times and in braces again I minus 1, and I also need that p in here, so I'm gonna have an ampersand here, and p equal to single quotes again, and that p is pages, so it's gonna be equal to pages, and the a text is gonna be the value of the I variable. But I don't want to have a link if I am on the current page, so I'm gonna say here if I does not equal current page. In that case I want this, so just cut it and paste it here. Else I'm just gonna echo out that I, and some space after it and some space before it, let's say, and I'm gonna give it some space here as well. So if I run this now, let's see what happens. I get 1, 2 and 3 here, which is how many pages I expect to see, and if I hover my mouse over link 2, I can see down here s is equal to 2 and p to 3. So if I click that, I get Sally and Jack, so 4 and 3, and before that I got 9 and 5, so 4 and 3 here and 2 and 1 here, which is correct, since here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. So once again it all seems to be working fine, and you can see that s changing here, and p is always 3 since it determined that I have 3 pages, but this s keeps on changing, which is the point. So on the first link it's 0, and then it's 2, and then it's 4, and so on if I had more, and so it's all good. That's it for this video, and in the next video I'm gonna add previous and next links. Okay, see you then.